Hi, I'm Doug Dills, and this is the new all-in-one camera from Science-Scope. This is a way to replace an existing microscope. So if you have an old microscope, or even if you just have a boom stand, what this camera will allow you to do, because it's all-in-one. The optics are internally housed. The lighting is built in as part of the adapter, the camera adapter, where it's going to sit in the stand. So all you have to do is remove the light source if you have one. Remove the microscope from the stand. Place the camera where the microscope was. Lock that into position. Connect it to your monitor, and you're done. You're ready to go. So now that your camera is sitting in your stand, you have it connected to your monitor via your HDMI cable, and now you are ready to inspect. It's really that simple. Again, all the lighting, the zoom and the focus is internally controlled. You're ready to start inspecting and capturing images.